Almost had another one, but it came off the hook and I wasn't recording. Just fishing this little spot right here that my friend showed me. So far, I've caught in 2 bass in this little spot, and I saw a big alligator gar. Oh, not that big, 3 foot. See if I can get another one before I stop right here. Go fish in our spot. I think I know where I might catch one at. Come right over here. Standing in the water right now. Fuck it. Do what you gotta do to fish. Hopefully I get one of these little guys before we go. I'm gonna fish Santon River later. If I can get around and check out that little stream in there, that'd be pretty cool. One more cast up over there. Yeah, perfect. Just where I wanted it. Oh, got one. Yeah. Got another one. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice little chubby one, chunky one.